Hey folks, Adam here, and I cannot wait to show off my brand new ChefRobot. Now this thing is absolutely fantastic. Smaller than a stand mixer, but so much more important to your life. Amy from Shopping with Amy introduced me to this because she loves hers, uses it all the time. I had a few of her fantastic meals from it, and I absolutely love it. Now this is a 10-in-1. You're getting rid of 10 other appliances. We're talking mixing, we're talking cooking, we're talking everything in between. Now, comes with it a steamer cover and a steamer base, as well as a steamer holder. Then on top of that, you have your butterfly. How cool is that? Your spatula, your basket, and so much more. You get a measuring cup, you get the bowl lid, the mixing blade, the bowl, and of course, the device itself, the trademarked ChefRobot that you can tie into your phone. And this thing is so cool, it's going to walk you through how to make so many cool meals. Now, for me, I'm a very simple chef. I like to make simple things, but somehow this makes those simple processes extraordinary. So you're gonna feel like the Willy Wonka of the kitchen. This is going to walk you through everything you need to do with an easy and intuitive touch screen that allows you to cook and do everything right here on the device. Control it right on the screen. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So first and foremost, let me walk you through this easy to use touchscreen. You've got the operation guide, which will give you safety instructions, speed and temperature guide, so you can learn exactly what to do with it. Then from there, we've got the basic information for my model, the CR7, I believe. You've also can tie it into your account and all the different information right there. So when we switch into the main screen, this is really straightforward here. You have your time, you have your temperature, and you can mix accordingly. Very easy to control. And yeah, this is really smart and easy to use. You see, you can just swipe what you need. Do you want recipes? Sure, let's go ahead and figure out how to make almond milk. With a push of a button, it will show you add pre-soaked almonds, 4.9 ounces, put on the lid with the measuring cup in place, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, scrape the sides of the bowl, add water, put on the lid, and let it do its thing. It's pretty straightforward, and in 15 easy steps, you have almond milk. I didn't know I could make almond milk until today. So there we have banana strawberry milkshakes, all sorts of fun stuff. Beefy mushroom pasta, penne, spaghetti Alfredo. Folks, everything you need to know is right here. Cheese spread, yeah, it shows you how to make cheese spread. How cool is that? 20 steps, press, and you're good to go, okay? And it walks you through, add 1 clove of garlic, add 1 shallot, add your chopped parsley, and it even, you can see it has the scale right there to where you can go ahead, I'm pushing down on it, you can go ahead and this will allow you to measure as you go. How cool is that? Would you like to exit? Yes. So yeah, it shows you everything you need for recipes. Literally, what, hundreds of recipes? Go side dishes, snacks, main dishes, beverages, all sorts of cool stuff available at a push of a button and connected to my Wi-Fi. Okay. You've got self-create, my week, my history, my shared, and my collection. So this allows you to really tie into the app and create everything that you could possibly need in a matter of seconds. Going to the second screen, we've already showed you this. Third screen, self-cleaning, steaming, scale, heater, you can knead bread. You can slow cook, sous vide, I believe that's correct pronunciation, and some cooking, as well as fermentation. Yeah, you could do that. Go to thermal, thickening, mixing. You could make your own BEER, I bet. Rice cook, turbo, and mash it. Yeah, you can mash it real easy. and everything you need is right there. This is the easiest device you'll ever use. So yeah, folks, this thing is truly fantastic. Now, the thing that I like the most here is that this makes cooking easy. Now, I'm no expert, but I've been able to make some really nice pastas. Let's go ahead and show some overlays of the cool things and the meals that I've been able to make with this. Now, remember, this has so many different functions, and this is going to be a space-saving device in your kitchen to where you can just kind of do just about anything in here without being the kitchen expert, right? You don't have to know exactly how to make something. It tells you your list of ingredients you can pick up from the store, and then it shows you in what order that you need to go ahead and put them in, how to put them in, and everything in between. And it ties right in with your app, which allows you to kind of plan accordingly on your phone. You have your phone on you. When you're at the grocery store, you can know exactly what to get. This is just an incredibly convenient option. So, folks, we're talking about ChefRobot. This is the next generation in cooking. If you want to cook, but you don't have that expertise that you think you need, well, this is the device you need. Take it from me, somebody who is just a novice chef, just a beginner level chef. I'm usually doing hot dogs and chicken in the oven. Now I can make real meals and I can serve my friends and like, oh wow, you made this? And yeah, of course I did. I didn't make it. The ChefRobot made it for me. We're living in the future where the robots are doing the work and all we do is just help them out. All right, folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land. This makes it so easy, so convenient, and so affordable. I appreciate you. You know I love you, but it's time to go pick one up. Get your ChefRobot today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and